Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this little Luffy hat keychain in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. If you are new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And there are so many other tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. So many tutorial videos are available, you can go and check it out. So watch this video till the end to know how to make this Luffy hat keychain in just 30 minutes. You can easily make this by following this tutorial video. So for the delay, let's begin our video. It's so easy and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's begin our video. Let's begin with the magic ring. Make a magic ring. Then we are now going to make chain one, and then we are going to make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Make 6 single crochet, 1 and then 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. After making 6 single crochet, we are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring, pull it tightly to close the hole, and then slip stitch in the first stitch, single crochet stitch of this row 1. Make a slip stitch. Our row 1 is completed. Chain 1. For row 2, we are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Single crochet increase, this is called single crochet increase. Make 2 single crochet together in one stitch all the way around. Make 2 single crochet together, it's called single crochet increase. Just like I'm doing, just for repeat the pattern and I will show you what to do next. I'm increasing the single crochet row for this row, row 2, 1 and then again 1 in this same stitch. Then slip stitch in the first stitch of this row. Then we are going to make chain 1. Our row 2 is also completed. For row 3, make 1 single crochet and then in the next stitch make 2 single crochet together, 1 and then 1 single crochet, then single crochet increase. We are going to make all the way around 1 single crochet, then single crochet increase, then again 1 single crochet and then single crochet increase. Our row 3 is completed. Now we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch of this row and then chain 1. For row 4, we are going to make 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet, then again single crochet increase. In the next, we are going to make 2 single crochet in 2 stitches, then single crochet increase in next stitch. Just repeat the pattern. Make 2 single crochet in the 2 stitches and then single crochet increase in the next chain. Our row 4 is going to be just like that all the way around in the circle. Just repeat the pattern, what I'm saying and what I'm doing, and I will show you what to do next. After completing row 4, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 1. For row 5, we are going to make 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then single crochet increase in the next stitch, 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then again single crochet increase in the next stitch. we are going to repeat this pattern all the way around in this row 5, and I will show you what to do next. Our row 5 is also completed. Slip stitch in the first stitch of this row 5, and then chain 1. For row 6, we are going to make single crochet all the way around. Make single crochet all the way around in this row. We are not going to increasing anymore. Just make single crochet all the way around in this row 6. Then I will show you what to do next. Our row 6 is also completed. We are going to slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 1. From row 7 to 9, we are going to make same as row 6. We are going to make single crochet all the way around. There is going to be 4 rows of single crochet all the way around, 6 to 9. Just single crochet all the way around, and I will show you what to do next. Our row 9 is also completed. We are going to slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Just cut it and then pull the yarn and tighten it. Now we are going to attaching the red color yarn in this row. Take a red color yarn and then insert your hook in the stitch and pull the red color yarn. Just pull it. Make chain 1, and then we are going to make single crochet all the way around in this row also. From red color yarn, single crochet all the way around in this all stitches, just like we did before in the row 9. The row 10 is also going to be the same. Just single crochet all the way around, and I will show you what to do next. After making single crochet all the way around, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 1 and cut the red color yarn, cut it, now cut the extra yarn from this side also, just cut it. Now we are going to attach the same yarn we used before. Just take the yarn and then insert your hook and pull the yarn through, pull the yarn through at chain 1, and then we are going to make one single crochet, then single crochet increase, then single crochet increase in the next chain, then again one single crochet and then single crochet increase. It will give you the ruffles of the hat. For doing this, one single crochet and one single crochet increase. We are going to repeat the pattern all the way around in this row. Just make one single crochet, then single crochet increase all the way around, and I will show you what to do next. After completing row 11, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch of this row 11, and then chain 1. Now for row 12, we are going to make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then single crochet increase in the next stitch, make 2 single crochet, then single crochet increase, make 2 single crochet, then single crochet increase all the way around in this row 12, make 2 single crochet, then single crochet increase. Just repeat the pattern and I will show you what to do next. After completing row to wheel, we are not going to slip stitch, we are just going to cut the yarn and pull the yarn through, and by the help of yarn needles, just take a yarn needles, insert your yarn in the yarn needles and repeat the pattern what I am doing. Just see the step and follow it, just like do what I am doing. Just like that. Now we are going to weave the ends. Just hide the yarn tails with the help of yarn needles. Just hide it, and I just hide the yarn. What I'm doing, just follow the pattern, follow the steps. As you can see, there is two sizes of yarn. For this smaller one, I did 4 rows of increases. I only did 2 single crochet and then increase in the smaller one, and then in bigger one I made 3 single crochet increase together. You can use any. So as you can see everyone, our Luffy hat keychain is ready. You can make this beautiful Luffy hat keychain in just few minutes by following this tutorial video. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And there are so many other tutorials video available on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. If you want any other tutorial video, just let me know in the comments. So this is so cute and easy tutorial, beginner friendly. If you are a beginner, you can easily make this. So thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.